With your account created and your tenant ready to utilize, I'll now show you how to create your first project. So you can create new projects in the Projects tab. Just click Create a new project and then give it a name. Here you're also able to choose a plan for your project based on the plans you have available for your tenant. Our tenant is just a trial plan, so we can only choose trial. But for example, if you have a custom plan designed by Arcware, you'd be able to specify here which projects should use the custom plan resources and which not. I will also reiterate the fact that trial tenant plans only allow for one project to be created here, but you can, however, edit the project details at any time in the Projects tab if you want to repurpose it later. So with a new project, you might notice that its status is disabled. This is due to the fact that there is no package uploaded to the project yet. So to correct this, please follow to the next video where I'll show you how to upload an Unreal Engine package to the project.